Hello everybody, my name is Ming and I want to talk about a story to kill a mockingbird. A mockingbird is a defenseless bird. It just sings and doesn't know how to do anything else. So this story was written by Harvard Lee. This quickly became popular in the 1960s, and it gained a prize named American Classics. So, To Kill a Mockingbird separated into four themes. The first theme was you will not know other people until you put your feet in their shoes. So, in here, our main character, Atticus, the father, James, and Finch, the kid. So it was talking about their neighborhood, Arthur Bradley. So people think Bradley was a creepy guy because the family is unsocial. They never show up on the street or talking to other people. But truly, Bradley was stuck in a crack. He damages his father, injured his father by a scissor, and he never showed up. But surely he was a kind, normal guy. Bradley is a friendly, good, and he give Jam and Finch candies. The second reason is when Atticus gave his kid an air rifle. So in here they can shoot any single bird except for the mockingbird. Why? I said it from the start. A mockingbird is a defenseless bird. You just know how to sing. It's just a bird that make songs, make noise. It doesn't do anything much. But they don't understand. They don't really understand that. But deeply, when you kill a mockingbird, is when you take advantage of somebody is defenseless. So the third lesson was about Tom Robinson, a black farmer was accused for raping a white woman. So Atticus was defending Tom, but he know from the start that he gonna lose anyway because of racism. In these lessons, Atticus fights so hard to defend Tom, give good reasoning and good story, but the jury didn't agree to him just because of racism. In here, he wants to teach a child a lesson that even you know that you will lose, just keep fighting. The last lesson is when Boo Radley was saving Jem and Finch. So the father of the woman in the lesson 3 was angry about Atticus and he wanted revenge. At Halloween night, the father was trying to kill Jem and Finch. He broke Jem's arm, but Boo Radley was safer. He saved Jem and Finch's life by killing that guy, the father that wanted to revenge Atticus. So Boo Radley became a hero. Everybody knows that, but the sheriff was saying that he tripped and fall on his knife because he knows that Boo Radley was doing that, but that would not be good because he's unsocial. If people make him a hero, he don't know how to handle that and he will be scared. So it's just like the lesson 2 and lesson 1. This is when the highlight was in. This is when Jen and Finch truly understand the lessons. She said that if we let Boo Radley as a hero is nothing like killing a mockingbird. So she truly understands the lesson one. That she see Boo Radley view. And thank you for listening.